Alofa, my name is Uso. Welcome to To Make Samoan Island Resort. Today we will be demonstrating how to do oka. It's one of our favorite dishes of all time. If you travel around the Pacific, you will be familiar with this dish, but in different names. In Fiji, they call it kukonda. In Samoa, we call it oka. Right. Doing oka or making oka, it requires fish, raw fish. So I've gathered all my ingredients here today. We've got cucumber, tomatoes, onions, pepper and salt, and some chili, and of course the main ingredient, the coconut cream. Fresh squeezed coconut cream. First step, put your raw fish in the bowl. Second step, your lime, squeeze it in. Gotta give it a bit of mix. Add your ingredients, cucumber, tomato, a little bit of pepper and salt. Mix it. Don't forget your onion. And a little bit of chili. And the last one, coconut cream. Let's put some more coconut cream in it. It's ready to serve. Here is your fresh